this is what my office currently looks like. Just things everywhere. It's a cloudy winter day here in Ohio. And this is what we're working with, y'all. This is this side. I've just slowly dumped things in here over time. I just come in here to use the computer sometimes, pay my bills, use the printer, and that is about it. Just things dumped in here. It's not crazy, it's not really, really bad, but it's just cluttered. All the packaging for my business, just under the corner there. This table just has a mixture of a lot of things on it. Just packing supplies on the floor, bags on the floor. Over here is not too bad. I still have merchandise that I would like to sell, but I don't know how my spirit is right now. We'll see. But just things. My closet in there is not too bad, but just my office. And I don't know. I honestly don't know what to do with all of these things, because I don't know if I want to restart the business again. I don't know if I don't, what do I do with all this merchandise? Where do I sell them? Because the Etsy platform is not it's not it right now. It's not, I don't know. The Etsy platform is really turning me away from it. So I don't know. But one thing I do know is I need to clean this place up and go from there, one step at a time.
Here I find myself again, time traveling only in my head. From the past to future play, or change, yeah. My emotions are valid, but the goal is not to be triggered every time. Never mind, it's just life. It's okay for my sanity to chase perfect peace, and now forever and all.
Next, I want to tackle this side over here because it has a lot of junk. And I think this side might be the hardest for me because it has a lot of my Etsy shop things, which I'm still trying to ponder. Do I want to reopen the Etsy shop? Do I want to still sell products? So it's hard for me to get rid of a lot of the things, like the shipping boxes and stuff, because I'm like, if I do reopen the shop, I need to ship items. So I will need the shipping boxes. But anyway, I'm going to try my best to clear off this table the best way I can, and maybe move all the shipping supplies maybe to my basement somewhere where I don't see it for a while, and give myself a few months to decide if I should get rid of them, donate them, or just reopen the shop. I guess after my divorce, I really just dumped everything that I didn't need in this room, because this room is not really frequented or seen by people that came to the house. This is in the back of my house, a separate room. That was my dedicated office when I was running the business. And now that I took time away from the business, I just really just dumped everything in here because I didn't really have to see it. But I'm taking back this room. Like I said before, I don't know if I'm going to continue the business. I really don't. But regardless, still, this is a beautiful room that I'm blessed with, an extra space in my house that I could do so many things with. I might make it into a lounge area. When friends and family come over, we can play games. I might make it into a bar chill area. I'm into gardening now. My seeds started in the room. I might even start back the business. I don't know what I'm going to do with this room yet. It is a beautiful space that opens up to my beautiful backyard. But whatever I decide to do with this room, I just know I have to clean this room. I have to get it clean. I have to get it looking right and ready for whatever I choose to do with this room because I'm so grateful to have it. It is beautiful, y'all, and I'm thankful that I have it.
The table is cleaned. Now I'm debating, do I take off this peel and stick, is it like wallpaper that I put on there? I love the design. It's quite pretty, but I don't know how much I love it anymore. Like, I am evolving into more darker, moodier colors. The rest of my home, I'm evolving into a more darker, moodier color palette. And I don't know if this is me anymore. As beautiful as it is, I don't know if it's me. I might just take it off. Yeah, I think I'm gonna take it off. Underneath is like, I think it's just basic white. I think I had painted the table white. I mean, the worst comes to worst, I'll just put it back on because I have more if I really need to. So, I'm taking it off.
Start to share. I am adaptable. I am adaptable. Let it go, let it go, let it go, let it go. Safe for me to be grounded in the present moment. I honor God when I honor me. I honor God when I honor you. You honor God when you honor me. If you don't honor God, how could you honor me? Honor me.
This is the table now. It is scratched up, has a lot of imperfections. This is the reason why I think I initially put the wallpaper on top of it because of all the scratches that it had. Initially, this was a brown table. The top was brown, and I painted it white. And then the white paint started to scratch, and the brown started coming through underneath. And because I didn't want to paint it again, I just went ahead and I put that peel and stick wallpaper over it. Now, this is how it looks. I think I'm going to paint it again. Maybe sand it down and paint it white, or maybe even black, or maybe brown. I don't know. But I'm happy I took the wallpaper off. I like it better, plain, just like this.
The balance between problem solving and the universe working itself out. All that I have is all that I need. But to actualize it, I can't doubt, no doubt. My emotions are valid, but the goal is not to be triggered every time. Never mind, it's just life. It's okay for my sanity. I choose peace and I'll forever and always be present. I am enough as I am. I am fully equipped. Even when the tide and the current start to share, I am adaptable. I am adaptable. Let it go, let it go, let it go, let it go. Safe for me to be grounded in the present moment. I honor God when I honor me. I honor God when I honor you. You honor God when you honor me. If you don't honor God, how could you honor me?